virgin. You are so, you are so beautiful like you married me. Ni? Hindi kasi, naman kasi kuya, kami naman kasi ni Coco, alam namin yung limitasyon namin dalawa, kung alam namin na hindi naman na maganda siyempre para sa akin, alam ko naman na hindi maganda, bakit ko pinagpapatuloy, kasi siyempre yun yung point na pag-aawayan namin talaga, pag pinaggigiit ko yung gusto ko, tapos parang ganun. Pero nirerespeto ko din siya, nirerespeto din niya ako. Kaya, kumbaga, yung respeto is nandun pa rin. Kumbaga, kung wala nang kasing respeto sa isa't isa, talagang mag-aaway at mag-aaway ko, diba? Nafi ana miskin, ziyada ana mafi jawaz. Kaliwali ana Nasir. Mi intim ana miskin. Tarat! Iqbal, apni katibahan Kelia and from Iqbal. Caseta, since I saw you, I like you a lot. Oh, really, Caseta? But you not everyday come back to my life. How you like me? You marry me and from Iqbal. Free Fire. Gamer and from Gora. Ay. Free Fire. Nasir from Gamer. Iqbal, I can't marry you. I'm a man. I'm from Andrew. Andrew. Yes, that's right. Oh my God. Don't marry to Iqbal. Iqbal is a double. Iqbal is very double. So don't marry him. Okay? Good night, sis from Cephas. Good night, my friend. Buti ka pa, alam mo ang mali at tama. And ganun talaga, kuya. Iba-iba kasi tayo ng pag-iisip, hindi pare-parehas. Now we guess my age. Guess my age. Ay, it's that Inta sadik ko Tama yan, Novi. Kailangan respetuhin mo sarili mo para irespeto ka ng tao. Oo, kuya. Yun din naman yung kasi, yun din yung ni Coco. Ayaw naman niya kasi na nababastos ako sa live. Lalo, ganito, yung may mga viewers ako, ganyan. Ayaw niya ng Inta Sadik, ayan, from Nasir. Pinag-block ako sa iyo ni Yara kasi ayaw niya malaman ng ibang tao kung siya. And you know very well, brother, all country language, but first see what to do. Other side behavior. But no be good. So use Tagalog. Ayan, from Free Fire Official. Use Tagalog. Ay, nako, Free Fire. Use also Tagalog. Free Andrew Iqbal like men. Ayan, yeah, yes. Maybe Iqbal is 50-50. Meet. You like Iqbal? Are you Indian? No, I'm not Indian, my friend. But I have friend Indian. Charot. Free Fire from Gurab. I'm not Indian. I'm cowboy. Ayan. Are you sure, Andrew? You Sumi. India. Ayan. Guru Laura Ble. Ayan. From Free Fire Official. Salute ako sa inyong dalawa. Ayan. Salamat, kuya. Makakatagpo ka rin na